Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Trim Restorer is probably one of the most sought-after products for car owners who are meticulous about their vehicle's appearance, and for good reason. As time goes by, your car's plastic trim can lose its luster due to constant exposure to harsh sunlight and inclement weather, making it look old and worn. But don't despair. With the right trim restorer, you can easily restore that factory-fresh look and protect your trim from future damage. In this video, we will explore the top contenders in the market, helping you choose the perfect product to revitalize your car's exterior. Number 5. Cerakote Plastic Restorer. Say goodbye to faded trim. This easy-to-use restorer will renew and protect your car's interior and exterior surfaces for months. Tired of temporary fixes? It will give you a long-lasting finish that won't fade or streak after a few days, unlike other products. It's designed to repel water, so it will look great even after a downpour. No more ugly streaks. Unlike other greasy products, it dries completely to the touch, leaving a clean and dry finish. No more oily residue on your towels. We use the latest advancements in science and the best equipment to create high-quality products. Plus, it's made in the USA. Our team is dedicated to customer satisfaction. If you have any concerns, we're here to help you. What we like. It's tired of short-lived results. This product offers a long-lasting shine that survives rain. The dry-to-touch formula ensures a clean finish without oily residue. If you want a durable, rain-resistant shine that lasts for months, this is the one for you. What people say. Brought back the shine and luster of all the plastic components of the car. Brought back the original color and shine. Easy to apply and use and works well. The stains were gone and they looked new again. Number 4. Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. Is your car's plastic trim looking dull and faded? This ceramic coating will restore its showroom shine and protect it from the elements. Unlike traditional dressings, it bonds to the surface, lasting through 200 washes or more. It's a durable solution for long-lasting protection. Simply clean your trim, let it dry, and use the included wipes for a like-new finish in under 30 minutes. It's incredibly easy and satisfying to use. It doesn't just clean, it cures to the plastic, restoring color and shielding it from harmful UV rays. It's a true restoration and protection solution. This isn't just another car care product, it's a ceramic-based formula developed by world-class chemists. It's science, not snake oil, ensuring superior results. Cerakote is a global leader in ceramic polymer technology, trusted by aerospace and automotive industries. You can trust it to protect your vehicle's trim. What we like. Want a finish that truly lasts? This ceramic coating bonds to your trim, lasting through 200+ washes. It's quick and easy to apply with pre-saturated wipes. If you're looking for lasting protection and a showroom shine, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The product comes in a form of about 4 by 4 inch square wipes, 10 wipes individually packaged. The first wipe completely brought a 3-inch wide well trim back to life, then did 4 black plastic decorative inserts covering about half of one of my truck's running boards, then made a start on the next well. Somehow the magic ingredient in the wipes magically transforms dull black plastic trim to deep black. And somehow it works even when the plastic has white areas from previous waxing. Works great to restore faded plastic car trim. Still remains looking new about a year later. This product is amazing. I've tried several products on the plastic vinyl parts of my truck previously and it did not last very long. This product is great. Not only did it restore the original black finish on all the exterior vinyl areas, but has been a week and still looks great. Number 3. Chemical Guys Silk Shine Dressing. This innovative spray provides a dry-to-the-touch finish that keeps your vehicle's exterior looking its best. It's easy to apply and protects against the elements. It dries quickly, leaving no sticky residue. This prevents dirt and dust from clinging, keeping your surfaces clean. The advanced WeatherTech formula penetrates deep to protect against harmful UV rays. It helps maintain that like-new look for weeks. It gives a beautiful, natural shine to your trim, dashboards, and other exterior plastics. It's perfect for modern matte and satin finishes. It works great on tires, trim, vinyl, and plastic. Use it on cars, trucks, motorcycles, whatever you need to protect. What we like. Looking for a dry, non-oily shine? This sprayable dressing dries to the touch and repels dirt and dust. It also protects against UV damage to keep your trim looking new. If you want a sleek, modern look with lasting protection, this is it. What people say. This interior protectant gives the perfect shine, neither too shiny nor too dull, and best of all won't leave a greasy feeling on the surface. Smell is pleasant, also not being strong. I used this to shine up a dull vinyl bag I got and it worked wonderfully. I started doing my vintage pieces as well, the shine is so beautiful. It's thick, almost gel-like. It outshines any tire product ever, but it's also great for rubber mats, exterior trim and vinyl dash and doors. Number 2. Solution Finish Trim Restorer. Is your car's trim looking faded and dull? This product will bring back that rich, black color, leaving it looking better than new. It's easy to apply and lasts a long time. You get a generous 12-ounce bottle, perfect for multiple uses on your car, truck, or other vehicles. Just apply it with a cloth for quick and easy restoration. It uses advanced polymer technology for a long-lasting, like-new finish. This silicone-free and VOC-compliant formula is safe and effective. It's not just for cars. Use it on bumpers, handles, seals, and more. It even works on ATVs, boats, and other recreational vehicles with plastic vinyl trim. We're confident you'll love the results. This product provides a durable finish and comes with our customer satisfaction guarantee. Get ready for a stunning transformation. What we like. Need to restore faded black trim? This product revives the color of your black vinyl and plastic trim. It provides a long-lasting, durable finish. If you have faded black trim on various surfaces, this is your solution. What people say. Restored all of the black external plastic trim pieces, including door handle, to as new appearance. Seems to be long-lasting, but I used their clear sealer to be sure. Turned our white grayish bumper back to black, they look brand new. Number 1. Plastic Trim Restorer. It offers a protective layer, unlike others that just add color or sit on the surface. It's absorbed, breaking down oxidation, rain, and dirt damage. Rain won't wash it away. It penetrates and fills plastic pores for long-lasting protection. Apply 2 to 3 coats for best results, waiting an hour between each. This trim restorer has a streak-free formula. It won't leave residue after rain or washing. Always refer to the instructions for best application. It's easy to use. Just pour a few drops onto the applicator, spread evenly, and wipe off the excess. It dries quickly with a high shine. It works on car bumpers, mirrors, vinyl roofs, and more. Use it on your car, truck, RV, motorcycle, or even home restoration projects. What we like. Want a ceramic coating that won't wash away? This product penetrates and protects your trim from the elements. It's non-greasy and leaves a streak-free shine. If you need superior protection and a lasting shine, choose this one. What people say. After 24 hours, it was completely dry and smooth to the touch. Great. No indication of fading after 2 months, looks the same as the day I put it on. Also great. Absolute fantastic product. Have tried dozens of other products that only last until you wash your car. This product makes your plastic look like brand new and stay that way after numerous rain, storms and car washes. This product comes in a small bottle, but I was able to do the fender flares front plastic moldings on my truck as well as both mirrors. Restored them from a dull gray color to bold black. It has rained multiple times since I applied it and still looks great. Amazing stuff. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.